It's Maaike showing you this gorgeous incoming mail made by Nicole. I will link her in the description. She is brand new to YouTube, so give her some love. Also, this is part of a Merry Make swap made by organized by Zara, Mrs. Snail Mail. I will also link her down because she already is having some Valentine swaps, and this is the first time I think, or in a long time, I did a swap like this. Normally I don't do it anymore, but I loved it. So let's go because this mail is so good. And this is from Nicole, and she's from Germany, and oh my gosh, she is so talented. Really loving this mail. And in this mail we had to make different crafts, and I will show you what she has made for me. Starting off with this gorgeous bag. Look at it. Isn't it super beautiful? She is a pink crafter, as she said to me. However, she knows I love color. Oh, she was so right about it. She turned it into a really colorful craft. At first it was pink. Then she thought, okay, I have to make it more colorful. So she did it, and oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. It's gorgeous, and she is such a neat crafter because look at this bow. Isn't it beautiful? This gorgeous, enjoy embellishment shaker. Love it. So let's see what's inside because it's all so beautiful. Look at those bows, for example. They are gorgeous. There is my kitty Freya. And look at those gorgeous bows. And we've got this one. I really love it. And this is pink. And this is something she has made in the beginning of the swap. And she thought, no, it has to be more colorful. But look at it. So pretty. I really love it. And then we've got those embellishments, really pretty. Look, so beautiful. I love it. Such a good, beautiful crafter she is. She also sent me those, which is beautiful. Loving the paper. And inside this bag there's also this super fun, beautiful back topper, the gingerbread cookie. Gorgeously made. We've got some other back toppers, and I really like those. And I think she has used a lot of KS crafts. Look, this is fun. I love it. Then we've got those, and I got these by myself. Oh, I love it. Sweet stuff. Beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. Then she also got me a really small but beautiful present. I love these. Who doesn't? Well, if you don't like doodle book, then you doesn't. But I love doodle book. Then we've got those sentiments, paper hugs, Open Me, Snail Mail, Happymail. Really sturdy cardstock. I love that. Then she made this gorgeous card using the Scrap Diva dies. Look, this is beautiful. It's a new die. It's a Santa tattoo, and those glasses. Beautiful done. The snowy beard. I love it. Gorgeously made. We've got a very fun shaker. Look, isn't it adorable? So beautiful. I love she has picked up this one. Then we've got some trim. And you see she is so good in all the details. I really love her swaps, her creations. Look, we've got this fur. Fake, of course. Then we've got those ribbons. That's fun because I've got them big. I'm not sure if I sent her those bigger, but I love it. Then we've got these, so beautiful, or those. And this is such a fun way to give your. Oh, I should have had it like this. Well, you can see it, but it's a fun way to give ribbons, to organize it like this. I love it. Well, thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you for your gorgeous mail. Love mating with you. maybe we can do it in the future. And thank you all for watching, and give her some love because she's new and she deserves some love. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.